Hey, it's Dustin from PaddleBoss, and I want to take a minute real quick and tell you about something that Xavier and I are really excited about. Our new program called the 3.5 Accelerator. If you're currently playing at the beginner or intermediate level and you're frustrated from being stuck, if you're tired of being inconsistent, getting targeted, popping balls up and getting slammed, or feeling like you're the one holding your partner back, then this program was built specifically for you. The 3.5 Accelerator is a results-based training program designed to help you become a confident and respected 3.5 player so you can get invited to higher level games and feel proud of your performance. We do this through what we call the 3 S's: the school, system, and support. And to my knowledge, this is the only pickleball program with a results guarantee. Private lessons, group clinics, and YouTube videos can be helpful, but none of them are set up to guarantee results. Now, the 3.5 Accelerator isn't for everybody. This is an elite program for people that are 100% committed to becoming an advanced 4.0 player. And because of the level of coaching and support that we provide, it isn't cheap. So if you're serious about transforming your game and you want a proven guided path to get there, then we'd love to help you. Just use the calendar below and pick a time that works for you. On the call, we'll learn more about your pickleball experience, pinpoint what's holding you back, and if the 3.5 Accelerator is a good fit, we'll invite you to be part of the program. But space is limited, so please only book a call if you're sure that you're going to be able to make that time slot. So go ahead, pick a time below, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.